I've interviewed 50 people before you. All of them were far more qualified. What makes you think you stand out?
I can smell a dead fly.
What?
Yeah.
You can smell a dead fly?
Yes.
Okay, I'll play along. Is there one in this room?
Yes, when I entered the room, I smelled a dead fly.
Okay, this has got to be the stupidest thing in the world. Where is it?
I can't see it. I just only smell a dead fly.
You can't see the fly, but you know there's one in the room.
Yeah.
How did you arrive at this conclusion? How did you know you had this skill then, if you never saw the fly?
Once or twice when I entered the room, I just smelled a dead fly. When I searched it, I found it.
Okay, so you saw a fly once or twice out of, let's say, 10 times.
Yeah.
The smell could have been anything. It could have been a candle. Fair enough?
No, it's a smell of dead fly.
No, it isn't. It is definitely a candle.
But it is a smell of dead fly.
It is not.
It is.
It is not.
It is.
It isn't.
It is.
It.
What is this? A dead fly?
That's not a dead fly. It's a piece of paper.
It's a dead fly.
It's a dead fly.
You're hired.